So, thought that while I'm waiting for calves to finish up their bottles, I give a tour of our farm. This is our house. This is our garage. That's the old outhouse from back in the day. That's a toy shed. Back there you see an apple tree and some pine trees. And as we head this way, that's our garage. That's another tree, swing set, a bunch of snow. Because snow is everywhere this time of year, as you can see. And this is a machine shed. And in here you see all the machinery and all the equipment that we use on the farm. So you can see there's a bunch of stuff in here. That'll head her back up. And over there you see our fuel tanks. That one we painted a smiley face on, as you can see. There's a shed next to it. Back there you see some feed bags covered up mostly by snow. Use those more in summer, with some fields back there behind that. These are the calf huts. And here you can see the calves. These huts are nice and warm in winter. Keep the calves nice and warm. And these are all the calf huts. Then as we make our way this way, you see the skid steer right there. The skid steer is used for cleaning out the freestall barn and stuff like that. In summer it's used for stone picking and cleaning out the manure pit in fall. And this time of year it's used for shoveling snow so that we have paths to walk on and drive through, so that we aren't all stuck in snow. Because otherwise the snow gets pretty high. And danger. The reason it says danger here is because, well, it's dangerous inside. This is, used to get the corn out of the silo and stuff, and add it in here to feed the animals. Crushes the corn in there, and up there and down to feed the cows. And this is where they stay during the day. It's a decent temperature in here. In winter you can see we have all the curtains closed, so that's just like a curtain there, stuff. And that's what we use to regulate the temperatures, and cows' body heat warms the building, that making a decent temperature in here. Not all that bad. And there's one going up, if you're wondering where that one goes to, right there. And there you can see conveyor belts leading to other buildings. There's a shed back there. And you can kind of see that's a path I'll just walk up to right away. That cows walk from one building to the next on. We have all cleaned out, and back there's a manure pit filled with snow. As you can see, there's a bunch of fields all covered in snow. The wood's back there, which has a stream on it. If you're willing to jump over trees and shovel, you can ice skate on a little bit in winter. But I only did that like twice, because it's a long walk, and yeah. That used to be freestall barn pen, and in the summer we use it, it's a basketball court now because we don't keep steers there anymore. Stuff, as you can see, it's pretty full of snow this time of year. And there you see the back of our ball tank. Let's see if I can zoom out there. And that we store grain in, well, temporarily as we feed it out to the barn cows when they're in the barn milking. And in this way, you see the milk house. At the end of the day, this is where all the milk goes to. Those are the milkers that we use to milk the cows. Stays nice and warm in here. It is 50 degrees Fahrenheit, 10 degrees Celsius right now. Not too bad. In this room, not outside. And we keep it at 37 degrees Fahrenheit, 36, just above freezing. It's like 1 degree Celsius. And here you can see the whole tank is full of milk, waiting for the milkman to come pick it up. Way back, there's a little cream that forms on top. Kind of see there. Shut that real quick. Now into the barn. And this is where we milk the cows during the day. Back there's our second shift pen, and through that door the cows will go in, the ones that don't fit into the barn. Because this barn holds about 70 cows. As you can see, we have a lot of random cats everywhere. And that. And, this barn holds about 70 cows. It's another random cat. And that's where we milk them twice a day, morning and night. And if you go up this way, through here, which we keep sealed up often well in winter to keep the barn warmer downstairs. This is where we keep the hay that we feed the calves. And over there we keep the straw to bed the cows. So that's all straw. And then it goes, then we pitch it with the fork. It goes down there. Oh, well, it's full right now because I just got straw yesterday. And then it goes through there down to the barn below. Let's see if I can get you a little better view here. This is a view from the top of the straw pile, looking down. Yep. There, now that's all sealed up nicely. Or actually, let's get that a little nicer. There, and I seal up good. Now if I turn this way, I can show you the calf barn. These are feed carts that we use to fill with feed and feed the animals that are in here. And then this is a calf barn. As they get older, from the calf huts they go into these pens. And then there's pens for different sizes as they get bigger. So they get to be that big. And then once they have their first calf, then they go outside by the other cows and milk. That. Through this door you can see outside a bit. Well, you can see outside is snow. Yep, and that's a good tour of our farm. There you see our farm sign. Can I read it? It says Mark and Victoria Schwan family. And back there you see the county sign, because we live right on the county, Manitowoc-Brown County line. So right there, see it says Manitowoc County. And that's our farm. The end.